there's a totally unique genre of literature, which was Yiddish literature written in the ghettos, in the camps, in the gas chambers, that was buried under the ground and retrieved after the war. The Ringelblum archive, the memoirs of Sonderkommando, Zalman Gradovsky, for example, a rabbi in Birkenau in the Sonderkommando, who buried his memoirs under the under the gas chamber. Langfuss, I think, I'm not sure about the last name, Langfuss was in the same Sonderkommando. You have Yiddish poetry written in the Warsaw and Vilna ghettos that were buried and retrieved after the war. Yiddish reportage from the Lodz ghetto by Joseph Zelkovich, reportage from the Warsaw ghetto by Peretz Opachinsky, essays by Leib Golden. In a sense, Yiddish literature in the ghettos had this incredible flare-up of energy and creativity and vitality.